So I'm a huge fan of imitation and invention, being inspired by somebody else's work and transforming it to make it your own. This one comes from Miss Walter's World. She's amazing. If you're not following her already, do. Now, she made these apps for her whole teaching team. I'm just doing it for my class, so I have it in my Google Classroom. I have one for an iPad and for an iPhone, depending on what you're working with, so the dimensions work out. You can see I have my little app here, Social Studies with Miss Schiff. Everything is linked, so if you go to Virtual Classroom, it links to a copy of my Virtual Classroom on the app, and all of these link to the outside sources. There's always a home button, so if you just want to hop around into the pages, you can. Lessons and homework, so everybody stays on the same page, what we're doing during the week. If you want to just jump to Wednesday, click on Wednesday. Everything's here. You'll see my placeholders. If you want to go to the head of the week, you click daily lessons, and then you can see I have a monthly news events. Check here for the bit.ly. Feel free to download a free version of this and then make it your own.